Welcome to our farm.
Well, live well.
Rice seed will be empty. It's not. It's happen every year, and when maybe it will become true. We are almost there. Hello, amazing people. How are you today? It's me again here, and welcome to another vlog. Welcome to our farm. So I'm gonna show you the improvement here, update of our farm. So as all you know, this area right here is neighbor farm, and they are planting first before us, before this one. So I'm gonna show you how they look like. It's different. So these two farm is have a different variety, so they are not same. All right. It was a hot day and beautiful day, like this. So it's Burr month. We encounter a white bugs in our farm. So that white bugs, it's attractive to a light. So at night they are go there, and when they fly, they spread a lots of like dust, like really, it's like a powder. Yeah, it's a dust, a white dust from their wings, and if it's touched to your skin, you will be itchy from that, and it's happened every year. And when the rice is just started to have a seed, when it started to develop its seeds, it's pretty bad news for us because they will be that white bug is eating the rice, so the rice seed will be empty. It's not good quality at all. So this area right here is the neighbor's farm, and this is how it look like right now. And this area right here is my aunt farm that which we working, and this is how it's look like. If you compare to this area here, this area is planting first, and then we are lost. So as you can see, the rice seeds is developed fast from this variety of rice. So I already mentioned that it depends of the variety of the rice, how long it's gonna be developed or harvest fast. So this one is gonna be faster. That's why we let this neighbor do planting first before we done, because uh, if they don't harvest, if we harvest first, there is no way. Look at there. There is no way for a harvester machine to get in here. That's why we decided to let them first. And then this kind of grass is really stubborn. It's always in the farm. The cities look like this. It's still empty and green. That is for a neighbor. And as you can see here, it's our farm, and they are same to the neighbor's farm. It's also empty. Some of those is have a milky, have rice seeds already inside. There we go. That is. Did you see it? Yeah, there's a little. The seeds is starting to develop inside. And this one is just starting to have a skin for a seeds. This one have already inside. Mostly the problem of the rice is in this area right here, something like this is empty. So we use fertilizer to have seeds in this part as well. Mostly the seeds that the good quality is only in the top, and down here is not. Okay, let's check other farm. Right here is our farm and the neighbor's farm. And then in the middle of the farm here, another neighbor's farm, and they are pretty good already. All the seeds are developed in here. So this one is gonna be first. No water supply right now. Did you see that little bamboo in there? It's pretty good. Beautiful day. Alright everyone, that's all the update of our farm. Let's go home. It's pretty hot. It's already 9 in the morning. So I want to say thank you so much again to each and everyone for always supporting my channel. I really glad and happy that I was say before, I was say a goal before that I can reach 2,000 subscribers in by this year. So maybe it will become true. We are almost there. I really enjoy to create a video and vlog. Even if I just here. For me, this is the thing that I have. This is the thing that I passion about. And even a simple life here, a simple video. And I'm really glad to hear that you all enjoy the video. You all like the vlog. I know I show you a lot in here. I show you so much about this area where I live. So you all know a lot in here. Like every year I have same videos. I try to improve everything, and yeah, this is the skills that I can tell I like to do in my life. I want to be a creator. I never have a dream. This one is my dream, to create a video. I really enjoy to watch the video. When we old, we can watch that video in the future. I want to share all the good things, and I want to share joy, inspiration, and to inspire other people as well. And the most best part is to see you all in the comment. All right, we are almost home. Here's your water. Here you go. Alright everybody, I hope you all eat well and you have a healthy meal as always. Take care of yourself. I would love to see you in our next vlog. Thank you so much for always watching. Till next time, always remember to take care, stay safe, and God bless you all. Eat well, live well. Bye! Squash. Very good.